Today we will start our new lesson, rational number. Okay. So what is rational number? Before discussing this, we should know the number system. Okay. So if you like my channel, then subscribe and write comments and give a like. Okay. So our today's lesson is lesson 4, and the lesson name is rational number. So what is rational number, you see? First we will see the definition, but before looking at, we have to see that number system till now.
Number system till now we have understood what are different types
of number system we have got till now. So the
first number system is natural number.
Okay, what is natural number? You see, natural numbers are counting numbers. They are generally known as counting numbers. So counting numbers are called natural numbers. Okay, so examples also we know very well. What are counting numbers? Like example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. It will continue moving. Okay, so natural numbers are counting numbers and they start from 1. Okay, very good. Now the second number system is our whole number. So देखिए होल नंबर, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ होल नंबर? होल नंबर हमको क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ा? सो मान लीजिए एक एग्जांपल लेके देखते हैं. 2 + 3 = 5. बट इफ आई subtract 2 - 2, then we do not have any number in natural number system. So we do not have value. So because 2 - 2 is something which is not present in natural number. Okay, so for that we need a new number system in which this result will be present. Okay, what is the result? So the result is, we already know very well that it is 0, but 0 is not present in natural number. So this result cannot be obtained from natural number. So you see whole number. So new concept, new number system came, whole number. So whole number, it will start from, so whole number it will start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So it will continue. So what is whole number? If we want to give the definition, then we can say
that 0 along with natural number is whole number.
An example are
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and
so on. Okay, very good. So these are our number systems, natural number and whole number. So third is our new number system, and that is known as integers. We have already learned in the previous lesson. So what are integers? You see, so what is the requirement of this number system?
Integer. So we already have two types of number system, natural number and whole number. So what is the requirement of integers? So
we'll see a circumstance that what is the requirement of this number system. Okay, so let's see a situation. For example, if I take 2 - 2 = 0. Okay, very good. This result can be obtained from whole number. But what is the result of 2 - 3? So how I will get the number? If 3 is subtracted from 2, it contains only 2 and you required 3. So it is not possible in this system. So they thought of inventing new numbers. So again, inventing new number is again a big trouble. So they decided that they will use these numbers only, but they will put negative sign before this number and they will make a new number system. Okay, so you see the whole number started from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and the integers it continued in the left hand side with negative sign and so on. Okay, so what definition will give to the integers? That integers are all positive, negative and 0 are integers. So all positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 all are known as integers. Okay, so we already studied about integers and different properties that integers follows, and what are the operations they integers have, what are different operations integer having, we have already studied. So these are the different number system we have. So again, now comes the next is rational number. Now what is the requirement of this number system? So you see, first we got natural number, then we got whole number, then integers, then now it is rational number. So what is rational number? But before discussing, we should know the reason why this number system again came in our existence. So let's see. Now see, we have whole number because we have trouble with natural number. There are some result which cannot be obtained from here. Again, we have some trouble with whole number because some result cannot be obtained from whole number. Now what is the trouble with this number system? Now you see, if I subtract 2 minus 2, it is 0. Now if I subtract 2 minus 3, it is again minus 1. And if I see, if I divide 2 divided by 3, then what is the result? So this result we cannot be obtained from integers. Now if I divide 3 by 3, then it is 1. Okay, nice. But what is the result when 2 is divided by 3? So we do not have any result. So that is why we felt of obtaining a new number system. Okay, so rational number, you see, what is rational number? Rational number are those numbers which help us to express this number in this form, and this form is known as numerator upon denominator. So number which can be expressed in numerator upon denominator form is known as rational number. So what definition will give to this number? You see, rational numbers, those numbers which can be expressed in P by Q form. Okay, very easy definition, but one thing is there, you have to note that the Q should not be equal to 0. So this is the restriction having. So if you put here 0, then it will be, this number will be undefined. You cannot define this number if you put 0 in denominator. So we cannot put 0 in denominator. Okay, so you see, number system we have started. First we got the natural number, then we got the whole number, then integers, then rational number. So we have 4 types of number system. Now we will study in this lesson about rational number. Okay, so let's see.